Okay viewers, today we are going to discuss about that very most important chapter, limits. First, we will see that the key concepts in the limits. First one is the definition of the limits, and second one is indeterminate forms. So what are the indeterminate forms? 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 power 0, infinity power 0, infinity minus infinity, and 1 power infinity are called indeterminate forms. Next one is the fundamental theorem on limits. See, one by one, you study that all these fundamental properties. First one is that limit extends to a f of x plus or minus g of x, that is equals to L plus or minus m. And similarly, product and division, right? And next one will be squeeze play theorem. What is that squeeze play theorem? This one is also known as sandwich theorem. If f of x less than or equals to g of x less than or equals to h of x for all x, and limit extends to a f of x value and limit extends to a h of x, both will be equals to a finite quantity L, then limit extends to a g of x is also will be equals to L. Very clearly I given a diagram of squeeze play theorem. Next one is standard limits. See, standard limits. What are the standard limits? See, now we are going to discuss that one of the most important question in the limits. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then limit extends to alpha 1 minus cos of ax square plus bx plus c whole divided by 1 minus alpha whole square. See, how can we do this problem? See this one. Here, limit extends to alpha 1 minus cos of ax square plus bx plus c by 1 minus alpha whole square. First point, everyone should recall that if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, now a into x square plus bx plus c, this one will be write as a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. This is the first fundamental statement in this one. Now after that, one more formula you have in this one, that is limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos of ax whole divided by x square. This value will be equals to a square whole divided by 2. So these two are that very important in this one. Now you replace ax square plus bx plus c value in the given limit. That will be limit x tending to alpha, limit x tending to alpha 1 minus cos of a into x minus alpha into x minus beta whole divided by x minus alpha whole square, right? So now to convert this one is into the standard form, I will multiply and divide it with x minus beta whole square, x minus beta whole square. So now when x is tending to alpha, x minus alpha into x minus beta value is becomes the 0. So now by applying the second formula, limit extending to 0, 1 minus cos of ax by x square is equals to a square by 2. By applying that formula, this result will be equals to, that is equals to limit x tending to alpha, limit x tending to alpha, 1 minus cos of a into x minus alpha into x minus beta whole divided by this one. We can write that x minus alpha into x minus beta whole square, x minus beta whole square into x minus beta whole square. So now the first factor you apply the formula. So what is that formula? That formula will be equals to, that is equals to a square by 2, okay, into limit x tending to alpha, limit x tending to alpha, x minus beta whole square. So now this total value will be equals to alpha minus beta whole square into a square whole divided by 2. This is of our answer. Okay, I hope that everybody is clear this one. See which is the correct option in this one. C is the correct option. What is the correct option? C is the correct option. So now we'll see that one more question in the limits. This is a PYQ advanced question. See here, by observing this question, ABC is an isosceles triangle inscribed in a circle of radius r. If AB is equals to AC and H is the altitude from A to BC and P is the perimeter of triangle ABC, then limit H tends to 0, delta by P cube will be equals to what? See, first we will draw the figure for our convenience. See, this one is that a circle of radius, this is the circle of radius r. So now ABC triangle is inscribed in this one. So here ABC triangle is inscribed in this one. This is that A, B and C. Now see this one. Here this one is nothing but a center. Let it be, you take this one as that O. Now here this is nothing but the altitude. What is that altitude? H is given, right? And we know this one is called radius. What is that radius? BO or AO. This is the radius. If altitude is that H, so let it be, you take this one as that, let it be this one as that D. OD length will be equals to, this length will be equals to H minus R. This length will be equals to H minus R. So from triangle OBD, from triangle OBD, from triangle OBD, say OBD is that right angle triangle na? So now you can write that BD square plus OD square is equals to OB square. So how you can write this one? By using the Pythagoras theorem. Now I want that BD value. So BD square is equals to OB square minus OD square. OD square. So what is that OB square value? R square minus of, here OD value is that H minus R. H minus R whole square. So now this one you can write that this is that A square minus B square form, or you can expand directly. So now if you expand it, r square minus h square plus 2h into r minus r square. So here plus r square and minus r square will be cancelled. This one and this one will be cancelled. Now this value will be equals to 2h into r, 2h into r minus h square. So from this one BD is equals to square root of 2h into r minus h square. So what is the use of this one? If you know that BD value, BC value will be equals to 2 into BD. BC value will be equals to 2 into BD. So now you substitute, this value will be 2 into square root of 2h into r minus h square. So this one is that BC value. I hope that everyone is clear this one. And next, one more thing, P is the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle means what? Sum of all the sides. So here very clearly you see, from triangle OBD, from triangle OBD, from triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, AD value is that H and BD value you got it that already. So AB is equals to what? So now you can write that AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. BD square plus AD square. What is that BD value? BD square value will be 2h into r minus h square. AD value is that h plus h square. So this one and this one will be cancelled. From this one you can write that AB is equals to square root of 2h into r. So now what is that perimeter of the triangle? Therefore perimeter P is equals to AB plus perimeter P is equals to AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. In this triangle, AB and BC are the two equal sides. So now you have that AB length will be equals to root of 2h into r. So AC value is also same. So this one you can write that 2 into root of 2h into r plus BC value. What is that BC value? 2 into root of 2h into r minus h square. This is the perimeter. After this one, what is the required value? So your required value will be, all of you see this one. Once you see that question, delta is that area of the triangle. Delta is that area of the triangle means half into base into height. So now delta is equals to, now here delta is equals to, now delta is equals to half into base is that BC, base is that BC into height is that altitude from A to that BC, that is nothing but h is given. So now by substituting in this value h by 2 into, what is that BC value? BC value will be 2 into square root of 2h into r minus h square, right? So now here in this value you can write that 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So what is that resultant value? That is equals to h into root of 2h into r minus h square minus h square. Okay, so now you substitute all these values in the given expression. What is that given expression? Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Here is that. Now limit h tends to 0. This one is the delta whole divided by, this is that p to the power of 3. So that is equals to limit h tending to 0, delta value will be h into square root of 2h into r minus h square. Okay, whole divided by p is equals to perimeter. What is that a perimeter value? 2 into square root of 2h into r plus square root of 2h into r minus h square. So whole to the power of 3. So this is the value. This one will be 2 power 3 whole to the power of 3. So now by simplifying this value, you will be get that limit h tending to 0. Limit h tending to 0. By simplifying, you will be get, here you take that the numerator h is the common, and that means h to the power of 3 by 2 into this value will be square root of 2 into r minus h whole divided by denominator 8 into, denominator also you take that root h is the common, h to the power of 3 by 2 into this value will be square root of 2 into r minus h plus square root of 2 into r. Square root of 2 into r. Here h to the power of 3 by 2 will be cancelled. Now you substitute h is equals to 0 in this value. You will be get that square root of 2 into r whole divided by 8 into 2 into root of 2 into r whole to the power of 3. So now this one is by calculating, you will be get that 1 by 128 into r. So what is that limit of delta by p to the power of 3? 1 by 128 into r. So this is the final answer. I hope that everyone is clear this problem, right? Next we'll see that one more question. So what is this one? If f of x is a differentiable function such that f dash of 2 is equals to 6 and f dash of 1 is equals to 4, then limit h tends to 0, f of h cube plus 3h plus 2 minus f of 2 whole divided by f of 2h minus 2h square plus 1 minus f of 1. See, all of you see this question here. You take it, this value will be here limit h tending to 0. Limit h is tending to 0. F of h power 3 plus 3 into h plus 2 minus f of 2 whole divided by f of 2h minus 2 into h square plus 1 minus f of 1. Okay, see, by substitute h is equals to 0, numerator value will be f of 2 minus f of 2, denominator will be f of 1 minus f of 1. So it will be 0 by 0 form. It will be 0 by 0 form. You know, if any limit value is 0 by 0 form, you apply that L'Hospital rule. So apply the L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. So you know what is that L'Hospital rule? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So then we will be get this value will be limit h is tending to 0. Limit h tending to 0. What is the derivative of numerator? F dash of h cube plus 3 into h plus 2 into 3h square, 3 into h square plus 3, okay, whole divided by f dash of 2h minus 2h square plus 1, 2h square plus 1 into this one is the 2 minus 4 into h. Now substitute that h is equals to 0. You will get this value will be equals to, that is equals to f dash of 2, okay, into 3 whole divided by this one will be f dash of 1 into this is the 2. So already in question f dash of 2 is equals to how much? That is the 6. F dash of 1 is equals to 4. So here you can write that this value will be equals to, that is equals to 6 into 3 whole divided by 4 into 2. So here you see 2 will cancel that 3 times. That is equals to 3 into 3 will be 9 by 4. Okay. So this one is, I hope that this is that clear to all of you. So what is the right answer in this question? D is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.